Hi guys! Welcome back to Rhea's Kitchen. Naghahanap ba kayo ng something unique sa inyong panlasa? Alam ko, sobrang sarap ng fishball sa atin sa Pilipinas. Pero dito sa abroad at sa ibang bansa, very famous itong ipapakita ko sa inyo. At ito ay ang Hong Kong style curry fishball and beef ball. So guys, kung naghahanap kayo ng masarap at napakasimpleng gawin na merienda, ito ang pwede ninyong itry. And the ingredients that we need are oil, shallots, flour, soy sauce, coconut milk. Gagamit din tayo ng half a can of yellow curry paste. Gagamit din tayo ng curry powder, chicken stock or chicken broth, and of course, our beef tendon balls and fish balls. So, let's get started. So, the first thing that we have to do is pakuluan natin yung ating fish ball and yung ating beef ball para maging tender siya. So, habang hinihintay natin yung ating fish ball and beef ball, gawin na natin yung ating sauce. So, on a heated pan, maglalagay lang tayo ng oil. And then, yung ating shallots. Ayan. So, ang gagawin natin dito, ika-caramelize natin yung ating shallots. Para talagang yung lasa manunuot. So, yan guys, nag-caramelize na yung ating shallots. And then, ilalagay na natin yung ating flour. Yan. Pagkalagay natin, ihalo natin agad. Just like that. Yan. Once na nahalo na natin, isunod na kaagad natin yung ating yellow curry paste. Yan. So, half a can lang yung gagamitin natin. Then, ihalo lang natin ulit. So, yan guys. After nyan, ilagay na natin yung ating chicken broth. Sana guys, nandito kayo para naaamoy nyo talaga yung curry. Bango. Yan. Ihalo lang natin until parang medyo ma-dissolve yung ating curry paste. So, once na na-dissolve na yung ating curry paste, ilalagay naman natin yung ating curry powder. Ayan. This is about 3 tablespoons or 2.5 or 2.25. Yan. And then, ihalo lang natin until ma-dissolve again. So, yan guys. Na-dissolve na yung ating curry powder. Maglalagay na tayo ng soy sauce. Tatansyahin lang natin para hindi umalat yung ating sauce. And then, halo lang ulit. And then, at this point, pwede na nating i-add yung ating coconut milk. Yan. Medyo ititikin ng coconut milk ang ating sauce. Yan. Ang ganda ng kulay niya, oh. And medyo nagtitikin na yung ating sauce. So, at this point, you can try your sauce. Pwede nyo siyang i-season with a pinch of black pepper and a pinch of salt. So, yan guys, para maging mas manamis-namis yung ating sauce, lalagay tayo ng konting sugar. Ayan. And then, ihalo lang ulit natin. So, ayan na. Nag-thicken na yung ating sauce. So, ayan guys. Ready na yung ating sauce. So, ang gagawin natin, since ready na rin yung ating fish ball and beef ball, ilalagay na natin sila dito sa ating sauce. Ayan. So, guys, yun nga palang ating sauce. May pagkaanghang siya, ha. So, ayan. So, yan guys, nailagay na natin yung ating beef ball and yung ating fish ball. So, ang gagawin lang natin is maghihintay lang tayo ng konti to let it simmer para manuot yung flavor ng ating sauce sa ating fish ball and beef ball. And then, we are ready for tikiman time! Guys, ready na ang ating curry, fish ball, and beef ball. Ayan, umuusok pa. Ang bango. And hindi makukumpleto ang ating merienda kung wala tayong drink na pangtulak. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo ang simple way to make winter melon tea. And ang kailangan nyo lang na ingredients ay white gourd tea. And yung package niya, it comes in blocks. So, yung blocks na kasama niya, kukuha lang kayo ng mga square na ganyan. And then, pakukuluan nyo lang siya sa tubig. Tapos, magiging para siyang syrup. And then, yung syrup, ito na siya. Pinakuluan ko na siya. So, I have about half cup of cold water here and ice. And meron din akong sago para kumpleto. So, ilalagay ko na yung sago. Ayan. And then, maglalagay na ako ng ating syrup. Ayan. Ayan. So, ihahalo lang natin. And meron na tayong winter melon tea. Diba ang dali-dali lang niyang gawin? So, guys, it's tikiman time! So, guys, tikman na natin. Tikman muna natin yung ating beef ball. Ang init. Ang sarap, guys. May kick, may anghang. And may kagat. Tikman natin yung fish ball. Yung ating winter melon tea. Pangtulak. OMG. Perfect combination. Maanghang and matamis. And yung winter melon tea, if you're familiar with it, meron siyang parang kalasa, yung sagot gulaman. Kaya talagang perfect na perfect ang merienda na to. Sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. And that's it for our video today, guys. Sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating unique but very delicious merienda. Curry fish ball and beef ball, and of course, our winter melon tea. And sana matry nyo din siya at home very soon. And as always, if you guys like this video, please hit like and subscribe to my channel for more cooking, merienda, and baking videos. See you guys again. Bye!